Today we are going to learn how to create classes or group of data. In this file we have some staff member and their age, and I wanted to group them according to the age. So in staff member between 20 and I need to know how many staff member is between 20 and 30, and how many is between 30 and 40, and how many between 40 and 50, and how is older than 50. Of course we can use COUNTIF to do so, but today we are going to use frequency. Before we start, how to use COUNTIF if I have two conditions. Like here we have two conditions. I need to count how many is greater than or equal to 20 and less than or equal to 30. In this case we can use COUNTIFs. So every time you have more than one condition, you have to use COUNTIFs. So how many of this number comma is greater than or equal to 20. Here is the issue. If you need to write more criteria, you have to reselect the same range. So again, the same range, how many in this range is less than or equal to 30. It worked fine, but it is a little bit tricky. So in this list we have 5 staff member between 20 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead we are going to use frequency. To use frequency we have to start with the upper or the big number. So from 20 to 30, so it means 30. 30 to 40, so I'll go with 40. 40 to 50, so I go to 50, and this one I will keep blank. Now I'm going to use frequency to find how many number here is follow this class. So now we have the exact same number, and anyone is older than 50 will be automatically displayed here. So frequency is a spell formula. You can type only once with two information, the array of the value and the classes. Classes must be arranged in ascending order, starting from the highest value for each class. That's it.